Hey there! Ever wondered how things like food coloring spread out when you add them to water or a potato? Well, that's the magic of mass transport. It's all about how molecules, like food dye, move from one place to another. Let's explore this with a fun example. Imagine you cut a potato and dip one end into a cup of water with food dye. Over time, the color spreads from the tip of the potato into the rest of it. This is mass transport. The food dye molecules move from the concentrated area to where there are fewer of them and eventually spread out evenly. This movement is called diffusion. But did you know that temperature and pore sizes can affect mass transport? When the temperature goes up, molecules move faster, speeding up diffusion. Also, larger pores, like the spaces in a sponge or potato, allow molecules to move through more easily. Diffusion isn't just something that happens with food dye in potatoes, it's happening all around us. For example, in your bloodstream, oxygen diffuses from your lungs into your blood cells. Without mass transport, life wouldn't function. In chemical engineering, we use these principles to design processes like cleaning water, creating products, or even growing food. So, next time you see food dye spread through a potato or water, you'll know it's all thanks to mass transport. Thanks for watching, and go experiment with how you can see mass transport in action. Here, we have a potato that's been soaked in food dye, and now we'll place it in a bowl of clean water. Watch closely as the color from the potato starts to move into the water. This is diffusion in action. The dye molecules are moving from the potato, where they're more concentrated, into the water, where there's less dye. Over time, the water becomes evenly colored as the dye spreads out. This happens because molecules naturally move from areas of high concentration to low concentration until they're evenly distributed. This experiment is a great way to see mass transport in action.